The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 are the upcoming foldables from Samsung, and guys, honestly, when it comes to foldable smartphones, Samsung is the true king because
Nobody does it better.
also, if you're enjoying, then may I just suggest you to subscribe to the channel. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been confirmed to come with the support for the S Pen, but there is a bit of a bad news. As according to new rumors, there will not be a space to store the pen inside the smartphone like what we used to do with the Note smartphones. Samsung was initially planning to put the S Pen inside the smartphone, but because of the lack of the space inside the Fold 3, they opted against it. A recent report described the Z Fold 3 to be lighter and slimmer than its predecessor, which also compromises the available space for adding a built-in S Pen. Samsung is more than likely to bring the S Pen in a similar fashion to the Galaxy S21 Ultra as a separate bought-out accessory, which may be carried in some compatible cases. And just like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, there will be two supported pens including the S Pen and the S Pen Pro. The Z Flip, however, won't offer the S Pen compatibility at all. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 has also been supported on Chinese certification, having dual cell batteries of 2215 plus 2060 mAh, making it a combined battery capacity of 4275 mAh, which is less than the 4500 mAh battery found on the Z Fold 3, and once again this is because of the new design having slimmer body and lesser space inside of it. And the Z Fold 3 is also supposed to be 13 grams lighter than the Fold 2, which will make the Fold 3 269 grams. And if they still had made the cutout for the S Pen, then the battery capacity would have decreased even further. Was the compromise of not having the S Pen space worth it for having more battery? You guys tell me in the comment section. But there is at least one new feature which will be present on both the Z Flip 3 and the Fold 3, which is official IP rating for dust and water resistance. So far it's unknown which exact IP rating will be present, but for sure there will be some sort of IP rating, likely IP67. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 will also be skipping the Exynos 2100 chip in favor of the Snapdragon 888. This year, yes, indeed the Exynos has closed the gap to the Snapdragon counterpart, but Samsung has decided to opt the Snapdragon over its own Exynos brand, and more than likely they will do the same for the Z Flip as well, and this does mean that we won't be able to see the much anticipated AMD Exynos in the Z Fold or the Z Flip, but still it should be coming out this year as Samsung said in the launch event. Let me know guys, which form factor do you prefer more, the Flip or the Fold? I prefer the Fold and the Flip as well, so I love them equally. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos, hit the like button if you enjoyed, say hi to me on Twitter, and guys, thanks for watching.